Hey guys, what's up? Dave here. Decided it's late afternoon now. It's about nearly 3 o'clock. I feel like a bit of a swim, and we've got in the village. They've got a new swimming pool built. It cost I think 60 baht to go in. So I'm going to go and check it out. It's only a minute drive from here, just around the. We could actually walk it in 5 minutes, but a bit too lazy. Okay, so we'll catch you over there, and we'll see what it's like. See you shortly. Hey guys, arrived at the pool. This is the local village swimming pool. It's a good sized pool, all to ourselves. Actually all to myself, because Noi's not swimming. Look at a nice garden they got there. They've got shops here if you want to buy some food. This place actually opened up on the 22nd of October last year, so it's just over 4 months old. Plenty of places to sit. You can sit around the pool, you can sit up there. They've got seating up there, all over. There's all seating over here. There's like a little dining there as well. Trampoline there for the kids. There's a big toilet over there. $60 baht per person. If you're not swimming, you don't have to pay. Noi didn't pay. Look at all the seating, all for us. We've got a snack shop over there, ice cream and drinks and stuff. Okay, I'll end it here because I'm going for a swim. Catch you all later.